In today's video, I'll teach you how to log out from BiliBili app. First of all, launch open BiliBili application. You can see over here BiliBili application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. Right now, I'm logged into my account. So if you want to log out of your account, what you have to do is simply tap on the me icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, once you do that, you'll be led to your profile interface. What you have to do is simply scroll down. Now right over here, you'll be able to find the option for settings. Tap on it. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the settings interface. You'll be able to find various settings options like video player, clear cast, dark mode, etc. Scroll down and tap on this option logout that you can see on the screen. Now this kind of pop-up will appear. Tap on this option logout that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you can see over here you'll be logged out of your account. So that is how you log out of BiliBili app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.